Now we go to the example 12. In this figure, it shows that AB is parallel to DC, and we need to find the value of x and y. So in this question, as it is given that AB is parallel to DC, so we can use the property of parallel lines. So that for the parallel lines, that is AB and DC, you can see that actually it formed a shape like that. So here is a pair of interior angle, that is the x and also the 65 degrees. We can use the interior angles of parallel lines that x plus 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and we can write that interior angles AB parallel to DC, so that we can find that x is equal to 150 degrees. And to find y, actually besides the parallel lines given, it is also inside a polygon, so we can apply the angle sum of polygon that x plus 145 degrees plus x plus 150 degrees plus y plus 65 degrees would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a hexagon, so that is open bracket 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is the angle sum of polygon. So that we can have 590 degrees plus y would be equal to 720 degrees. So lastly, we can find that y is equal to 130 degrees. That's it.